And 6 and 7 were arguably the hardest ones on the test. So if you got these two, you are a rock star. And if you didn't, that's fine. We're going to keep working on these types of problems. So number 6, find the area of the given figure. And notice that it's not something nice like a nice rectangle or a triangle. It's a mix of triangles and rectangles, and we're going to have to piece them together. Now, you may have done this a different way, but I'll show you how I did it. And the first thing I'll do is I'm going to split up the shapes that I saw. So, and I'll do them in different colors. So here is the first shape I saw, this triangle here on the left. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, I'll make that orange, was this triangle up here. So I saw this one. Okay. The next shape I saw, we'll use green, was this triangle here, like that. Okay, and that's a nice right triangle because the corner is in the grid there. And then I saw the rectangle, and I'll make that, how about lime green? So this rectangle right here. All right, so the rectangle is probably the easiest place to start. So I'm just going to draw my rectangle. It's length times width. If I count, it was 3 by 4 in my drawing. So length times width is 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, done with that guy. So this area in here is 12. Now I'm going to go over to the purple triangle. So purple triangle looks like this. And if I count, this side was 4, the base. And then if I'm looking at my picture, my height goes right to the tippy top from the base, and that's 2. So that height was 2. So I remember my triangle formula, which is 1/2 base times height. So I'm just going to plug in my 2 and my 4. So base is 4, height is 2. So I get 1/2 times 8, which is 4. So this area over here is 4 units squared. So I've got 12 and 4 units squared so far. All right, orange triangle on the top. Let's go to that one. I think I used that orange. All right, here's my picture. I just like to do this to keep it organized. So if I count along the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it was 7 long, that base. And then the height, just like the other one, is 2. So this height right there, that was 2. Again, 1/2 base times height. So I do 1/2 times 7, which is the base, times 2, which is the height. 7 times 2 is 14. So I have 1/2 times 14, which is 7. So this orange triangle at the top is 7 units squared. And then finally, we've got Mr. Dark Green triangle, and it looks like this. And again, I mentioned that it is what we call a right triangle because one of the angles in it is 90 degrees, is perpendicular. And the cool thing about that is the base and the height are just those sides next that are attached by that perpendicular piece. So that's 4 and 4 if I count on my grid. So then I have 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2 times 4 times 4, which is 1/2 times 16. Half of 16 is 8. So this one is 8. So now I just need to add those all together. And I will do that. Where's a good space? I can do that up here. So I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to add 12. So the whole area is 12 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. So I know 12 and 4 is 16. And I know 7 plus 8 is 15. So 16 plus 15, I get 31 units squared. And that is my answer on this one. So that was the total area. You may have split it up differently. If you got 31 units squared, that's fine. You just split it up in a different way than I did.